Good evening, parents. So today your student learned how to do mixed numbers as a fraction, but also how to take a fraction and turn it into a mixed number. So let's start off with making our mixed number into a fraction. Now, sorry for the bell. All right, so we're gonna take the mixed number and make it a fraction first. Now you guys should be able to do the simple method of 1 times 5 is 5, plus 3 is 8. However, your student really needs to understand what the whole is. So it's really important that they are able to write it out. So they know that the whole is the denominator, the 5, also as a numerator. So I give you one whole, so 5/5, and I'm adding it to my 3/5. So I've already used him, he became 5/5. And then you do 5 plus 3 is 8/5. Again, as they get better and they understand what that whole is, because it will interfere later in later lessons, if they don't understand how to pull that whole out, they can do 1 times 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8 in their head just fine. But right now, I need to make sure they understand what the whole is and what they're pulling out, because sometimes it gets a little tricky. So if that 1 wasn't a 1, but instead a 2 and 3/5, your student would need to be able to show me the difference between one whole and two wholes, that in fact it's 5/5 plus 5/5 plus 3/5 to get 13/5 as your fraction. So yes, they can do 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13, but I need to make sure they're understanding what the whole is that is being pulled out and what the whole is that is being worked with. Now, let's say your student was given 13/5, and I'm asking them to take it back to a mixed fraction. What they're going to do is use division. So 13 divided by 5. And at this point in the year, your students should be pretty good with division. They should be at least comfortable with these 2-digit division problems that we have while dealing with fractions. And they should be able to go, oh, I know 5 goes into 13 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract 3. And now this is where it gets tricky. They want to stop right there. They give me 2 remainder of 3. That is not what I'm asking for. I am asking for a mixed number fraction. So with the mixed numbers, they need to break that down into 2, and then that remainder becomes my new fraction. The 3 goes over the 5. So this is your new numerator, and this continues to be your denominator. So 2 and 3/5. I hope this video helped, and as always, if you need me, please email or call. Have a great evening.